guys, and welcome to DIY Ideas. Today we have a new tutorial here for a pattern, a new pattern. It's a really simple pattern with single crochets and chain stitches. It's this nice pink color here. It's honestly pretty easy and quite fast. It's just a nice pattern here and nice and compact here for winter, so nice and warm. And as you can see here, there's not really any holes here in this pattern. And so how exactly I did this, I'm going to show you now. Have fun! Okay guys, so here is the tutorial. This is the wool I'm going to use. It's called Woolly Hugs Sheep Merino Extra Fine. It's 50 grams and 110 meters long. And let's see the composition. We have 50% wool, 28% cotton, and 22% polyamide. The color here is number 37. And it's recommended for size 5.5 to 6.5 crocheting hooks. I'm going to use my size 6 here. And so to start, we're going to start with some chain stitches. And we need an even number of chain stitches for this pattern. I'm going to do 12 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so we have 12 chain stitches to start, and then we're going to skip the first 3 and we go back into the 4th one. So I'm going to count. This is the 4th one here, and we're going into this one, and I will do a single crochet and then another one into the next stitch. So right next to each other. Oh, sorry, this was actually into the same stitch. Then we add a chain stitch, and then we skip one, and into the next one we will go in and do 2 single crochets into the same stitch again. Then again we skip one on the bottom, and into the next one we go in and do 2 single crochets. Okay, then again we skip one, a chain stitch, and then we skip a chain stitch at the bottom. Two single crochets into the same stitch. Just make sure they're both in the same one. Then a chain stitch, and then we should have 2 left over here at the bottom. One of them will skip, and into the last one we go in and add again 2 single crochets. Okay, so what have we done? We chose an even amount of chain stitches. We skipped the first 3, and then we went back and went into every other chain stitch here from the bottom and added 2 chain stitches, and then we did 2 single crochets, and then 2 single crochets, and then we added 1 chain stitch after, and then we did another 2 single crochets, and then again a chain stitch. Okay, so let's see here. I actually just pulled out the last single crochet here by accident. I just added it back in. Okay. And then we add 2 chain stitches here for height. That's how every row is going to start. Then we turn it all around, and we will always go around the chain stitch from the row before. So here, 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 and here. At the very end, it's the chain stitches that we skip at the very beginning. And so that's always where we go around, and we will always do 2 single crochets and then a chain stitch. Okay, so here 2 single crochets, chain stitch, and that's the chain stitch for the next row that we're going to go around and do the next 2 single crochets. Okay, the chain stitch, and then here again 2 single crochets, chain stitch, and then here we are at the end again, and around the little chain stitches here of the row before where we skipped, or we used these for height basically. This is the last 2 single crochets here of this row. As you can see, this is all very tight and compact, so it's nice and warm. Here to start the next row, we're going to add 2 chain stitches and then turn it all around and then go backwards. So this is our first spot where we're going into for the next row. And so they're also, really close to the row before. And so we go around here, 2 single crochets. Next one, a chain stitch always in between, don't forget that. Then again 2 single crochets, chain stitch, here again 2 single crochets, don't forget your chain stitch. Then here, this is the next spot for the next double crochets, single crochets, sorry, 2 single crochets, not a double. And here at the very end, around the chain stitches of the row before, with 2 single crochets. And then this is again what it looks like. I'm going to continue doing this and I'll show you an update. Okay, here's my update for you guys. As you can see, I've progressed a little further. It's a really nice structure, it's really nice and compact, it's really nice and close and tight, and just, it looks really organized, I feel like. So we always have this structure here, and just because it's only single crochets, there's no double crochets or half double crochets, whereas, kind of taller. So it's nice and it looks calm, I think, and just really pretty. I really hope that you guys liked watching this video. If you did, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and you will always be notified when there's a new video. See you next time at DIY Ideas. Bye!